एक पालक म्हणून तुम्हाला तुमच्या मुलाच्या उज्ज्वल भविष्यासाठी सर्वोत्तम तेच हवे असते आणि या प्रवासाची सुरुवातच एका योग्य शाळेपासून होते. नमस्कार, मार्टिन्स कॉन्व्हेंट स्कूल सांगलीमध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे. 1978 मध्ये स्थापित झालेली ही इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल आज सांगलीतील पहिली कॉन्व्हेंट स्कूल बनली आहे आणि आता मुंबईच्या फातिमा सिस्टरच्या समर्पित आणि काळजीपूर्वक व्यवस्थापनाखाली महाराष्ट्र शासनाच्या स्टेट बोर्ड अभ्यासक्रमासह दर्जेदार इंग्रजी माध्यमाचे शिक्षण येथे उपलब्ध आहे.
Hey friends, this year has been joyful and grace-filled transformation of Martin's Convent School under loving care of Fatima Sisters. From exciting competitions, celebrations, to sports, talent hunts, and a memorable annual function, it was a vibrant journey. Our school is safe, joyful, and faith-centered place where every child receives personal attention and grows in knowledge, and is prepared to face the competitive world with confidence and strong faith in God. If you're looking for a nurturing and caring environment, come be part of Martin's Convent family. Admissions are open.
Welcome to Martin's Convent School. We, the Fatima Sisters from Mumbai, have begun a new venture in Sangli by taking over Martin's Convent School, which is established in 1978. We have a team of experienced persons in the management. Our motto is to educate, empower, and enlighten every child through personal care and attention. We, the Fatima Sisters, run many schools in various parts of our country, the CBSE and State Board schools. And our famous close by schools are Nirmala Convent School in Satara and Holy Family Convent School in Karad. So come and join to experience something unique, discipline, and completely dedicated education for the growth of your child in Martin's Convent School.
तर आत्ताच आपल्या पाल्याच्या उज्ज्वल भविष्याला एक नवी दिशा द्या आणि आजच आपल्या पाल्याचा प्रवेश मार्टिन्स कॉन्व्हेंट स्कूल सांगली येथे निश्चित करा. प्रवेश सर्वांसाठी खुले आहेत.